Right, I've placed the burner on the felt mat. There's a felt mat that comes with it. It's pretty. It's smaller than I expected. It's ceramic. It has a hole at the base. And it has a hole that goes all the way down. And it does say, I don't know why the tweezers are here because they are quite a large-ish cone. It says to align this hole with the hole on the top. So it has to cover it completely before it is burnt. So you set light to it and then you count 4 to 6 seconds, then blow it out. And it says within about a minute or two the smoke is supposed to come down. Now, if my lighter works, there we go. It's not quite a light yet. It is a light now. Nope, it's going out. Let's light it again a bit. Well, I think it's light enough. Now it says if the air is too warm or there's a draft, that the smoke goes up and doesn't go down. It does say it does take a minute or two for it to go down. So I hope this room isn't too warm or too drafty. I don't know if I set it to light enough, but we'll have to wait. Oh, here it goes. Doesn't that look beautiful? Let's move this a little bit here. Get it closer. I don't know why I'm whispering. It's just pooling at the bottom. It does somehow feel very therapeutic. Actually smells gorgeous. Just sort of a relaxing sort of smell. I don't know exactly what fragrance they are. It doesn't say how long it lasts. It says I'll give you the while it's still going. It says the incense contains particles which are heavier than air. As long as there is no wind in the room and no hot air which will rise with the smoke will sink. Notice, do not use continuously because of the high temperature of the hole. After using will affect the smoke backflow effect. I don't quite understand that. The main raw materials of this kind of incense are wood powder and suede sticky powder. They are all natural materials. Don't worry that the backflow incense will not be harmful to the human body. See, that's beautiful. It's all pooling into the bottom. Oh, I just moved the air. Did you see that? Oh, that's beautiful. Just with my hand. I could sit and watch this all day. It does smell wonderful. Just with a waft of my hand. But then it resumes its path down.